I am nervous. What if no one likes me? You will do great, Ethan.
We believe in you.
What if I can't make friends? I want to go home. It is okay to feel scared.
We know you can do it.
You are not alone. Thank you, Emma. I will try again tomorrow. Hi. Oh. I'm Liam. What's your name? I'm Ethan. Come on, come on. Come play with us. Nice one, Ethan. This school isn't so bad. Mom! Dad! I made a friend! Liam was really nice. We played together and everyone let me join.
See? You just had to give it a chance.
Sometimes being brave just means trying.
That's right.